Hi viewers, welcome to ChemEasy. In this video, let us see the synthesis, reactions and medicinal uses of one of the important six-membered ring heterocyclic compound, that is pyridine. Before watching this video, subscribe ChemEasy channel to learn chemistry easily. Pyridine can be synthesized by passing a mixture of acetylene and hydrogen cyanide through a red hot tube. It is shown in this reaction. So this is one molecule of acetylene and here another one molecule of acetylene and this is one molecule of hydrogen cyanide. This mixture passed through a red hot tube which produces pyridine. In another method, pyridine can be synthesized from glucagonaldehyde and ammonia. The reaction shown here, this is the structure of glucagonaldehyde with ammonia produces pyridine. In this method, first piperidine is synthesized from pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride by heating. Piperidine is a saturated form of pyridine, that is hexahydropyridine. From this we can get pyridine by treatment with sulfuric acid at 300 degree Celsius. In another one method, pyridine can be obtained by the oxidation of 3-methyl-pyridine, that is beta picoline. So 3-methyl-pyridine on oxidation with potassium dichromate produces nicotinic acid. Nicotinic acid undergoes decarboxylation with calcium oxide which produces pyridine. Now let us see some characteristic reactions of pyridine, and before going to reactions of pyridine, note down the numbering for the pyridine molecule. So the position where the heteroatom nitrogen is present gets 1, and here second position, third, fourth, fifth and sixth position. So in this position 2 and 6 are alpha positions and position 3 and 5 are beta positions. First one is electrophilic substitution reactions of pyridine. Pyridine is much lesser reactive than benzene towards electrophilic reagents because the electronegativity of nitrogen reduces the electron density around the ring carbons, and the usual electrophiles can coordinate with the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen to form resonance stabilized pyridinium ion, that is pyridinium cation, which is shown here. The electrophile coordinates with the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen and form this pyridinium cation. The formation of pyridinium cation deactivates the ring so that the further substitution occurs with difficulty, and generally the substitution takes place at position 3 of pyridine. As shown here, when the electrophile attacks the second position of pyridine, these three resonance forms are possible. Here it is mentioned as A, you note down this, and this is the product where the electrophile substituted at position 2. In the same way, if the electrophile attacks the fourth position of pyridine, these are the resonance structures possible, and this structure mentioned as B, and this is a product when electrophile substituted at position 4. Now the resonance forms A and B, which result from attack at position 2 and 4 respectively, are energetically unfavorable, and these two structures may be ignored. It means these two resonance forms may be ignored, A and B, because the nitrogen atom in these forms has only 6 electrons. So you can note here in this A resonance form, this nitrogen is having only 6 electrons. In the same way, in this B structure also, nitrogen is having only 6 electrons. So, the intermediates arising from attack at position 2 and 4 have 2 resonance forms each, not 3. Due to these reasons, the product with a substituent at position 3 predominates than second and fourth position substitution. And this shows when the electrophile attacks the third position of pyridine, these are the 3 resonance forms possible, and this is a product when the electrophile substituted at position 3. If the position 3 of the pyridine is already blocked, it means already substituted, then the substitution will occur at the other available beta position. The other available beta position means it is position 5. Pyridine may be substituted by electrophilic reagents only under vigorous conditions. Pyridine can be nitrated with nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid at 300 degrees Celsius. The reaction shown here, pyridine with nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid nitrated at third position and gives 3-nitropyridine. In case of sulfonation, pyridine undergoes sulfonation with fuming sulfuric acid in the presence of mercuric sulfate at 230 degrees Celsius. As shown in this reaction, pyridine sulfonation with sulfuric acid in presence of mercuric sulfate. The third position sulfonated and gives pyridine 3 sulfonic acid. By passing the vapors of pyridine and bromine over charcoal at 300 degrees Celsius, pyridine undergoes bromination. As shown in this reaction, pyridine on bromination at 300 degrees Celsius, it is brominated at position 3 and gives 3-bromopyridine. Along with this, 3,5-dibromopyridine also obtained. When the temperature of 500 degrees Celsius used for bromination of pyridine, then the product is 2-bromopyridine and 2,6-dibromopyridine. Next one is Friedel-Crafts acylation and alkylation reactions. Pyridine does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction because Lewis acid, which are used as catalysts in Friedel-Crafts reactions, coordinate with the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom of pyridine. As shown here, pyridine with aluminum chloride, when treated, this aluminum chloride coordinates with the lone pair of electrons of the nitrogen atom and forms pyridine aluminum complex. When pyridine subjected to mercuration with mercuric acetate, as shown in this reaction, pyridine with mercuric acetate undergoes mercuration at third position and gives 3-pyridyl mercuric acetate. Suppose if the electron donating substituents are present on the pyridine ring, then it will make electrophilic aromatic substitution easier and will direct substitution to the less sterically hindered ortho or para position. For example, 3-methylaminopyridine with nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid gives 3-methylamino 2-nitropyridine. When 2-aminopyridine treated with nitric acid in sulfuric acid produces 2-amino 5-nitropyridine. Second reaction is nucleophilic substitution reactions of pyridine. The electron deficient nature of the second and fourth positions of pyridine makes these two positions very reactive towards nucleophilic reagents. For example, 2-bromopyridine with ammonia at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius gives 2-aminopyridine. 4-chloropyridine with the same ammonia at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius gives 4-aminopyridine. Let us see some typical nucleophilic reactions of pyridine. Pyridine with sodium amide at 100 degrees Celsius produces 2-aminopyridine. This reaction is called as Chichi-Bobin reaction. In second one, pyridine with anilinato sodium in presence of toluene at 100 degrees Celsius gives N-phenylpyridine 2 amine. Then pyridine with phenyl lithium and toluene at 100 degrees Celsius gives 2-phenylpyridine. Pyridine when treated with butyl lithium at 100 degrees Celsius, the second position is substituted and gives 2-butyl pyridine. Then pyridine with benzyl magnesium chloride produces a mixture of 2-benzyl pyridine and 4-benzyl pyridine. 4-chloropyridine reacts with sodium methoxide and produces 4-methoxypyridine. But 3-chloropyridine does not react with sodium methoxide. Next one is oxidation reactions of pyridine. Due to low electron density about its carbon atoms, pyridine is more resistant than benzene to most of the oxidizing agents such as boiling nitric acid or chromic acid. This is evidenced by the oxidation of 2-phenylpyridine to pyridine 2 carboxylic acid. So which is shown here, 2-phenylpyridine on oxidation gives pyridine 2 carboxylic acid. However, pyridine is oxidized by perbenzoic acid, peracetic acid or hydrogen peroxide in acetic acid to pyridine 1 oxide as shown in this reaction. Pyridine with peracetic acid gives pyridine 1 oxide as an oxidation product. The last reaction is reduction reactions of pyridine. Due to lower electron density about the carbon atoms, the pyridine ring is more easily reduced than benzene. Raney-Nichols reduces pyridine to piperidine at atmospheric pressure. Here you can see the reaction pyridine reduced with Raney-Nichols to piperidine. If this reduction reaction is effected by means of hydriodic acid at 300 degrees Celsius, then the piperidine ring also reduced with the opening of the ring and produces N-pentane. Whenever the pyridine is reduced with sodium in liquid ammonia, which produces 1,4-dihydropyridine, and the pyridine can also be reduced using sodium and alcohol, otherwise with lithium aluminum hydride, which produces tetrahydropyridine as a reduction product. There are many medicinal compounds which consists of pyridine in its structure. Let us see some examples along with its uses. This is a structure of pyridoxine or pyridoxine which consists of pyridine ring here. This pyridoxine is used to treat or prevent vitamin B6 deficiency. It is also used to treat a certain types of anemia, and the pyridoxine injection is also used to treat some types of seizure in babies. This is the structure of nicotine which consists of pyridine nucleus here. Nicotine is a stimulatory alkaloid found in tobacco products that is often used for the relief of nicotine withdrawal symptoms and as an aid to smoking cessation. And another one important drug is pantoprazole. This is a structure of pantoprazole which consists of pyridine ring here. Pantoprazole is a proton pump inhibitor used to treat erosive esophagitis, gastric acid hypersecretion, and to promote healing of tissue damage caused by gastric acid. This is the structure of amlodipine, which consists of dihydropyridine here. This drug is a calcium channel blocker used to treat hypertension and angina. Next one is ethionamide. Ethionamide is a second line anti-tubercular agent used to treat tuberculosis when other treatments have failed. Here you can find the structure of ethionamide with a pyridine nucleus here. This is another example, isoniazid. This is a structure of isoniazid which consists of pyridine ring. Isoniazid is an antibiotic used to treat mycobacterial infections, most commonly used in combination with other antimycobacterial agents for the treatment of active or latent tuberculosis.